You're okay, Zachary. You're okay. What's the matter? No water, why? Just a sprinkler. It's not fun? That's not fun? No fun? Okay.
Hey.
You want me to turn off the water then?
Okay. Go run and jump.
No.
You ready? Come on, let's go.